Space is full of mysteries, but sometimes those mysteries come crashing down to Earth. We call these visitors from space meteorites. Most meteorites are small, like pebbles, but some can be huge, like small cars. Meteorites are pieces of asteroids or comets. They travel through space for millions of years. When they enter Earth's atmosphere, they burn brightly. This creates a streak of light we call a shooting star or meteor. Most meteorites burn up completely before they hit the ground. The pieces that survive the fall are what we call meteorites. These space rocks give us clues about the early solar system. They help us understand how planets form. By studying meteorites, we learn more about our place in the universe. Let's explore the exciting world of meteorites. You might think meteorites only fall in deserts. After all, that's where we find many of them. Deserts are wide open spaces. It's easier to spot meteorites on the sand, but meteorites can fall anywhere. They fall on mountains, in forests, and even in oceans. It's all about chance. Antarctica is a great place to find meteorites. The dark meteorites stand out against the white ice. Plus, the ice preserves them well. Sometimes people see meteorites fall. They can then collect them soon after they land. These are called witnessed falls. Scientists value these finds because they are very fresh. So, if you're lucky, you might just stumble upon a meteorite in your backyard. Not all meteorites are the same. They come in different types based on what they're made of. The most common type is called a stony meteorite. As their name suggests, they are mostly made of rock. Some stony meteorites contain tiny, round grains called chondrules. These chondrules are like little time capsules from the early solar system. Another type is called an iron meteorite. These are mostly made of iron and nickel. They come from the cores of asteroids. Iron meteorites are very heavy and magnetic. Then we have stony-iron meteorites. These are a mix of rock and metal. They are the rarest type of meteorite. Stony-iron meteorites are very beautiful and valuable to collectors. By studying the composition of meteorites, scientists can learn about the different objects in our solar system. Section 4. Studying the universe. Secrets in meteorites. Meteorites are like puzzle pieces from space. They help us understand the history of our solar system. By studying their age and composition, we can learn about the conditions in which planets form. Some meteorites even contain organic molecules, the building blocks of life. This suggests that the ingredients for life may have been delivered to Earth by meteorites. Meteorites can also tell us about the dangers of space. Large meteorite impacts have shaped Earth's history. Just ask the dinosaurs. By studying meteorites, we can learn how to protect our planet from future impacts. Each meteorite is a tiny window into the vastness of space. They remind us that we are part of a much larger universe. Section 5. Cosmic treasures, valuable meteorites. Some meteorites are more than just space rocks. They are valuable treasures. Their value depends on their rarity, size, and scientific importance. Lunar meteorites are highly prized. As their name suggests, they come from the moon. They were blasted off the lunar surface by impacts. Each gram of a lunar meteorite can be worth thousands of dollars. Martian meteorites are even rarer. They are blasted off Mars by impacts, just like lunar meteorites. They are the only pieces of Mars we have on Earth. Martian meteorites can fetch even higher prices than lunar ones. Even common meteorites can be valuable. Their price depends on their size, condition, and how they were found. Some people collect meteorites for their beauty, others collect them for their scientific value. Section 6. Famous falls meteorites that made history. Throughout history, some meteorite falls have captured our imaginations. The Tunguska event in 1908 is one such event. A massive explosion occurred in Siberia, Russia. It flattened trees over an area twice the size of New York City. While no crater was found, the devastation was likely caused by a meteorite exploding in the atmosphere. Another famous fall is the Allende meteorite. It fell in Mexico in 1969. This meteorite is a carbonaceous chondrite. It contains some of the oldest materials in our solar system. The Chelyabinsk meteor exploded over Russia in 2013. It created a shockwave that injured thousands of people. The event was a stark reminder of the potential danger of meteorite impacts. These famous falls remind us that we live in a cosmic shooting gallery, but they also inspire us to learn more about the universe we live in.